Savastika, food lovers. Today, we're bringing the vibrant flavors of Thailand to your kitchen with our Thai basil paneer. Imagine succulent paneer infused with the aromatic magic of Thai basil. It's a flavor explosion you don't want to miss. I'm your quirky quest, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this delicious journey. Before we dive into this Thai adventure, let's gather our ingredients. To marinate the paneer: 250 g paneer, cut into cubes, Indian cottage cheese, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, oil for frying. For the sauce: 4-5 tablespoons oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons dark soy sauce, 3 tablespoons chili garlic sauce, 1 tablespoon ketchup, 1 tablespoon red Thai curry paste, 2 teaspoons sugar, 1/4 cup water, salt to taste, pinch of black pepper. Other ingredients: 2 tablespoons oil, 1.5 tablespoons chopped garlic, 2 teaspoons chopped ginger, 2 chopped red chilies or green, 2 tablespoons finely chopped green capsicum, 2 tablespoons finely chopped red peppers, 2 tablespoons finely chopped yellow peppers, half a teaspoon crushed black pepper, 10-15 basil leaves. Boiled rice for serving. Cut the paneer into cubes. In medium bowl, toss the paneer with cornstarch. Heat a pan with a splash of on low-medium heat and pan fry the paneer till it's golden and set aside. In medium-size bowl, add oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, chili garlic sauce, Thai curry paste and sugar. Mix well and set aside. Now heat wok or kadaya with oil and fry the ginger, garlic and red chilies on high heat for 10-15 seconds. Add the pepper and stir fry for 1 minute. Add the sauces along with water and bring to a boil. Season with black pepper or reduce to desired consistency. Add the paneer and basil and toss well. Thai basil paneer is incredibly versatile. And there you have it. Your Thai basil paneer is ready. Serve it with jasmine rice or noodles, and you've got a Thai feast ready to be enjoyed. If you're ready to embark on a Thai culinary journey, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more global recipes. Enjoy this flavorful adventure, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!